To create a Facebook API, you need to set up a Facebook developer account and create an app. Here's a guide. Sign into your Facebook account and go to the Facebook for Developers website. Create a new app by clicking on the My Apps drop-down menu and selecting Create App. Choose the platform for your app and provide a name for your app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process, including providing a category for your app and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once your app is created, you'll be taken to the app dashboard. Here, you can access your app ID and app secret, which are required for integrating the Facebook API into your application. Configure your app settings, including adding platforms, setting up products, and configuring permissions and features. Follow the documentation provided by Facebook to integrate the desired API features into your application, such as social login, sharing capabilities, or accessing user data. Test your app thoroughly to ensure that it functions as expected and complies with Facebook's policies and guidelines.